Hello everyone, and welcome to Wonder Garden. This is the place where we share simple, effective, and easy to follow plant care tips to help your plants stay healthy, lush, and bloom beautifully. Are you struggling with pests, mealybugs, and harmful insects appearing in your garden and unsure how to deal with them safely? Don't worry. Today I will show you how to make a highly effective organic solution that delivers results in just a few seconds after use. What's even better is that the ingredients are very simple, easy to find, and anyone can make it right at home. No harmful chemicals, safe for plants and environmentally friendly. Let's get started right away. I use 1 liter of water, and this is chili powder. Because chili powder contains capsaicin, a highly pungent active compound, it helps effectively repel pests, mealybugs, and sap-sucking insects. At the same time, chili powder also helps inhibit fungal diseases, preventing pests from attaching to and reproducing on the plant. I will use 1 teaspoon of chili powder. When pests come into contact with this solution, they are strongly irritated and quickly leave the plant, but it does not harm the leaves or roots as long as the mixture is prepared at the correct concentration. Next, I will add 3 tablespoons of vinegar. Vinegar helps change the pH on the surface of the leaves and stems. This helps inhibit pests, mealybugs, and harmful insects, making it difficult for them to survive and develop. At the same time, the change in pH naturally keeps pests away from our plants. The next ingredient is cinnamon powder. Cinnamon powder has natural antifungal and antibacterial properties, helping protect the leaves and stems while supporting the plant's quick recovery from damage caused by pests. Just 1 teaspoon is enough to enhance pest control effectiveness, making the mixture safe and easy to use. And finally, an indispensable ingredient in this pest control solution is liquid detergent, dishwashing liquid. I will use 1 tablespoon of liquid detergent. This acts as a surfactant, helping to break down the protective waxy layer on the bodies of pests, mealybugs, and soft-bodied insects. Once this protective layer is destroyed, the pests quickly lose moisture and are effectively eliminated. In addition, liquid detergent helps ingredients such as chili powder, vinegar, and cinnamon powder mix better with water, allowing the solution to adhere more evenly to the leaves, stems, and leaf joints, thereby significantly improving pest control effectiveness. Once all the ingredients have been added, I will gently stir the mixture, being careful not to stir too vigorously to avoid creating too much foam. After all the ingredients have fully blended together, I will cover the container and let the mixture sit for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, once the solution has completely cooled, I will filter out all the residue, keeping only the clear liquid extract. This step is very important as it helps prevent the spray nozzle from clogging and allows the solution to be applied more evenly to the leaves and stems, thereby improving the effectiveness of pest and fungal disease control. After preparing the organic pest control solution, I will guide you through 2 ways to use this mixture. Method 1. Pour a portion of the solution into a small cup. Then use a cotton pad or soft cloth to soak up the solution and gently wipe the entire surface of the leaves, including both the upper and underside, where pests and mealybugs most commonly hide. When wiping the leaves this way, the solution comes into direct contact with the pests, helping remove them quickly, while also cleaning off dust and the sticky residue secreted by mealybugs. Cleaner leaves allow the plant to breathe better, photosynthesize more effectively, and greatly reduce the chance of pests returning. This method is especially suitable for indoor plants, plants with large or thick leaves, or when the infestation is mild, allowing for quick treatment while remaining safe and gentle on the plant. In particular, the detergent in the solution helps break down the sticky coating of mealybugs and other pests when wiping or spraying the leaves, causing them to lose their grip and be removed quickly. After drying, the solution forms an invisible protective film on the leaf surface, helping prevent pests and insects from returning and limiting fungal growth without affecting the plant's respiration or photosynthesis. Method 2. Pour the filtered solution into a spray bottle. Then mist it evenly over both the upper and underside of the leaves, paying special attention to areas where pests commonly hide, such as leaf joints, leaf stems, and the underside of the leaves. For plants that are already infected or affected by mealybugs and larvae, you should spray more thoroughly on the affected areas, ensuring the solution comes into direct contact with the insects for faster effectiveness. When spraying, use a fine mist and avoid overspraying to prevent damage to young leaves. This organic pest control solution is especially suitable for use on leafy vegetables in the garden. Made entirely from natural ingredients, it does not harm the plants and leaves no pesticide residues, making it very safe for human health when harvesting and consuming the produce. When applied correctly, this solution effectively repels pests, mealybugs, and fungal diseases while keeping vegetables clean, healthy, and growing naturally without affecting their taste or quality. It is an ideal solution for those who want to grow vegetables at home in a safe, sustainable, and environmentally friendly way, especially suitable for families with young children and the elderly. The best time to spray is early in the morning or in the late afternoon, avoiding strong direct sunlight. When applying this method, the orchids and vegetables in my garden have all grown very healthy and vibrant, with cleaner leaves, significantly reduced pests, and more stable growth day by day. Most importantly, this approach is simple, safe, and suitable for long-term use in a home garden. So, why wait? Try this method right away and come back to share your results with Wonder Garden. What do you think about this care method? If you find the video helpful, don't forget to leave a comment below. Subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any upcoming videos with useful plant care tips.